Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vinod and today I am going to start a new series called Scala Programming Language. I got lots of requests from the professional as well as my students. So I will try to cover all the topics in detail. So please keep watching these videos and if you like, please subscribe to my channel. So without wasting much time, we will start our first point. So what are the prerequisites for this? Every language, every anything we learn, so we need some prerequisites. So kind of the prerequisites we needed here too. Scala built on top of Java programming language. If you know a Java, then it's very good. If you don't know, don't worry about that. If you know any object-oriented programming language, you can easily learn this language. So let's start. The first point, what is Scala? Scala is a scalable language and hybrid function. So what does it mean by scalable? So scalable means like we can write a large program or we can extend existing code to. So that's called scalable language. What does it mean by hybrid language? So when we are learn any we write only one programming language. So means we never combinedly use both or two or more languages. But here we can use one or more languages. So like most of the time Java and Scala combinedly use. So why this language is so popular among the developers? The first thing is this object-oriented programming language. If you know other languages like Java, any other languages, so those are not a pure object-oriented programming language. Why means they are using primary data types. So that's why those languages are not object-oriented, pure object-oriented programming language. Here in the Scala, everything is object. So that's why it's pure object-oriented programming language. The second point, Scala is a functional. Everything in the Scala is an object. So a function is a value and value is an object. So ultimately the function is an object and it supports many different functions: anonymous function, carrying function, nested function, and higher order function. So that's why it's Scala is a functional. Third point comes like Scala is a statically typed. If you know other type statically typed language like C, Pascal, and others. So here in the Scala programming language, we do not need to specify a type information. So let's come on the our third point. Fourth point, Scala can run on a JVM. So basically, Scala built on the top of Java, and ultimately, Scala converts into Java, and Java converts into the compiled bytecode, and those bytecode runs on the JVM. So ultimately, the Scala language can run on JVM. The fourth one, that we can run a Java code too. If you know a Java programming, then it is very easy to run a Scala programming language, because both Scala and Java are using a JVM. So that's why we can run a Java too. So these are the points. Just keep in your mind, and we will cover all the topics, all the points in a next lecture. So please keep watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you will get all the updated notification. And in the next chapter, we will cover all these topics, and we are going to cover those topics in practically. So we are not just theoretically going on. So just keep watching this video.